What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a new video here for you guys today. Today I'm going to be working on the 4RUNNER, and what I'll be doing in this video is I will be replacing the OEM, stock light bulbs from the tail lights. The company I'm partnered with is LASFIT. You guys probably remember there's a video or two about replacing the turn signal lights in the front. I replaced those with switchback turn signals. So far, very pleased with the product. I haven't had one problem, and they look really bright. So I'm very happy with LASFIT. So with that said, this company I'm partnered with, they decided to send me more of their products to test them out, to try them out, and to let you guys know what their product is all about. What I have here is 3 different sets of LEDs. The first one here is going to be for my turn signals, okay? And the part number is T3-7443A. These are going to be for the rear turn signals. The second set here is going to be for my backup lights, for the reverse lights here. And the number for this one here, the part number is T-T15. And the last one here, these little guys are going to be for the license plate, and the part number is L-T10. I'm going to be taking those out. I'm going to be doing one side first, and I will replace those lights from one side, and then that way we can compare we can see the difference between the new upgraded lighting from the original, from the stock side. So to do that, I'm going to get a couple of pry tools so we can remove a couple of panels inside, and this should be very easy, very simple. Let's get to it. Okay guys, I'm ready to take this panel off. Behind this panel I should be able to get to the sockets for all the original lights, the light bulbs. And to do that, I have my plastic pry tool, and what I need to do is this plastic here, this panel has a little notch there, and all you got to do is just go in here like that and pry it off like so. It's really simple. Just take this off, and now you see there's access to all the sockets back there. I'm going to bring you a little closer so you can see what I'm going to do. Okay, so the bottom one is going to be the reverse light, the backup light. So that's the first one I'm taking out. And then this is the brake light. And up here, up above the brake light, we're going to have the turn signal. So I'm taking the bottom one off first, and then I'll continue with the other one. So what you do is you just twist, go to the left, and then pull out. And there it is. Okay, take this one off. Get one of the upgraded LED lights from LASFIT and put it on. And this one here is not like the turn signals, since this is just the backup light. This one here has no polarity, so it goes only one way and it'll work. So let's take it off out of the package here. Okay, just get one out and just replace it. There it is. Okay, let's put it back in. Okay, next is going to be the turn signal. It's up here. Same thing, you just twist and pull out. Okay. It's a little tight back here, but you can get it from here. So I'm taking one out. Now this one here is gonna be just like the front. This one here has to go in a certain way or it will not work. If it doesn't work when you put it in the first time, you gotta take it out, turn it 180 degrees, put it back in, and it'll work. So here it is. These look very, very nice. Very nice quality. I like these. All right. So let's put this in here and let's just hope that it works on the first try. Okay, there. All right, so let's put it back in. It's a little tight in here. It's a little tight. Let me see if I can do this way. There it is. Just that the harness is so tight. It's not, it doesn't have a lot of slack. So it goes in, but you gotta work it in. All right, let me try the turn signals, make sure they work. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I tried the backup light, it works. I tried the turn signal, it works. Now I'm gonna put this panel back, and then after this I'm gonna move on to the license plate light. I'm gonna replace that one out, and we can compare the sides. We're gonna compare this side, the driver's side, with all the upgraded LED lights from the other side. So that's it. That's all we're gonna do next. And to put this back on, it's really simple. It's got two tabs. Just gotta go on this side first, and then you just push in. Simple as that. We're gonna repeat the process once we get to the other side, but first, license plate. So let's go. Okay guys, the last one we're gonna be switching out is gonna be the license plate light. It's this one here, actually these two. I'm gonna take the old ones out and we're gonna be replacing those. To do that, you just need a Phillips screwdriver. Take the lens off. Okay, the lens comes off. Then you have access to the light bulb here, the LED. These are LEDs because I already switched those out a while ago. So take this one out and you just replace it with the upgraded version here, which is something a lot better than what I had in there now. All right, let's take one out and let's put it back in here. Let me see. It's kind of tight in there, but there you go. There it is. Looks a lot brighter. So the next thing you need to do is get the lens. Don't forget the gasket on this. Line it up with the holes, and that's it. It's really simple, guys. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to turn the hazards on so you can see the difference between the driver's side and the passenger side. Remember, the driver's side, everything has been swapped for LEDs. The passenger side, everything's still OEM. So let's do that now. Okay guys, so the difference is night and day. Of course, this side is super bright, and this side, it's the OEM side, the halogen light. So this one is okay, but this side, it's amazing. Now, the license plate lights, the license plate LEDs, this one here, you can see it's a lot more light. It's a lot more brighter than this side over here. You can see on this part over here, it's kind of dark. You can only see a little dot right there. But this one here, it's a lot more. Okay, let's try on the backup lights now. All right guys, so these are the backup lights. Again, what a difference. This is amazing. This is stock. This is the original halogen. I'm not sure if the camera is capturing what the difference is, but this one here, it's like super bright. All right guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish up these side, the passenger side, and then I'll show you I'll show you how the truck looks with everything switched out. Okay, so this is what the truck looks like with all the LEDs on. They are a lot brighter than OEM or halogen lights, so I do recommend these. Everything fits, everything works perfect. I'm very pleased, I'm very happy. Another amazing product. Okay, so with that said, if you guys are interested on picking up any of these products or any of these lights, go ahead and visit their website, LASFIT.com. They have a ton of products, and they have a lot of different lightings for any application, so go ahead and check them out. Also, there is going to be a discount code for all of you guys. If you guys want to pick something up from their website, you can use my code. It's going to be on the description down below, and you guys can save some money that way. Thank you guys for watching. This was another mod for the 4RUNNER, and just like I said, check him out. These guys are amazing. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.